These AI fitness videos are currently receiving millions of views. Channels like Yellow Dude or Captain Workout upload their first videos only a few months ago. Now both channels have hundreds of thousands of subscribers. This video received over 4 million views. This video has 800,000 views and this one 1 million views, which means this videos earn several $1,000s from YouTube AdSense revenue alone. But that's usually only 40% of the real revenue of this channel. Channels like Yellow Dude or Captain Workout use also a simple strategy how they can earn several $1,000s besides YouTube AdSense. The problem? Almost all tutorials here on YouTube hide this secret strategy and only explain the creation of the fitness videos, not the proper monetization. So this video would be a normal how tutorial on how to create fitness videos, but I will show you besides the video creation also the secret way how you can monetize your channel from the first video with the same fitness videos. Don't skip any steps in this video because otherwise you risk that the entire strategy don't work. So let's start with the basic steps. You were told that you should start always with the script, but that's completely wrong because the whole process in this video can't be for nothing if we don't have the right video packaging. For your video to go viral on YouTube you need a good title and a thumbnail. These are the two most important elements for the video. With a bad title or a thumbnail, nobody will watch your video. You can cut the best video or create the best voiceover. Without a title and a thumbnail, nobody will be interested in your video. So first create your thumbnail and your title with one of these proven methods. So first create your title with one of these high proven methods. First, the time counter method. Create titles like 10 dips in 20 days or use the start stop title method like stop wasting time for crunches. These methods create an increased desire in the viewer to click on the video. As you can see, the channels Yellow Dude or Captain Workout use exactly these same title methods and generate millions of clicks with them. For this tutorial I will create the video Stop Train Dips Wrong to this instantly. We use the start stop method for the video because this method brings high expectation to the viewers and we create a lot of curiosity. Let's continue with the thumbnail. Since it can be very difficult at the beginning to create a thumbnail without video or image materials, so you should first analyze and download the thumbnails of your competitions like Yellow Dude or Captain Workout. We need that later. So let's now start with the script. For this we use ChatGPT. Enter a following prompt. The prompt is long but it saves us a lot of time. Ask ChatGPT to start the script with a strong hook, so your viewers absolutely want to watch the full video. Create tension and write your word count. Don't forget to mention the video topic of the video in your prompt. Press generate. As you can see, ChatGPT now writes a structured script with a strong hook and a good guide. Perfect. Now copy the script into a new Google Docs file, so we will have it easier to create the voiceover in a moment. Write prompts in the comments if you want the prompt from this video here. When you are done with the script, then let's continue with the voiceover. Oh, and by the way, I recently created a free newsletter. I send out valuable informations about YouTube automation weekly. In addition, you will also find all links and prompts that I use in my videos in my newsletter. You save a lot of time, so click on the link in the description. The newsletter is free. For the voiceover we use 11 Labs. You can use it for free. Search here for male deep voices. Listen to some voices to use the best one for your channel. I use this voice here in this tutorial. Select it and go to the text to speech section. Copy your script here one after another and now have the voiceover generated. If the voiceover is too slow or too fast for you, you can adjust it here at the bottom right. When you are satisfied with your voiceover now, download it and we will now continue with the next step. Now we will create all the images we need for the video. This step is really important, so your results will be good. So first go to ChatGPT and insert the following prompt. Now we use the site Whisk. The site is free and has a few cool features that I want to show you now. Sign up for free and press enter on the homepage. Now you can generate your images here. Insert the prompt we just created with ChatGPT at the bottom and select the format here on the right. Since we are creating a long form video, we use now the format 16:9. Mention in your script features like how your character should look or what position the character has and what color combinations the image should have. Now click on generate. The platform now generates 2 images. Choose the image you like the best. I generate the image with a white background because we can cut out now the background better later. If you don't like the image, you can click on the image and now have the image improved. I will now have more images generated for the video, so don't forget to insert the prompt. If you don't like the image, you can click on the image and now you can have here improve the image. I will now have more images generated for this video, so don't forget to insert the prompts from ChatGPT that we have just created and prompt it and insert it into the text fields. Do this with each individual prompt. That doesn't take long. Now look at the results. As you can see, we have now created a lot of images with Whisk. If you don't like the images, you can click on the respective images and make changes. Whisk does that all this for you automatically. When you are satisfied with all images now, click on the 3 dots and download the images here now. Let's continue with the video editing now. I use CapCut in this tutorial. It's free and super easy. Now drag the voiceover into the timeline. Cut out unnecessary pauses. Now go to media and then to library. Select a white background here and now drag it into the timeline. Drag it to the end of the voiceover. Now select the format 16:9 here, as these are the official formats for your YouTube videos. Now add the created images, match it to the voiceover. Listen to the voiceover and then add the images. I will show it you to hear with the first sentence of the voiceover. Add an image, cut out the background if the image has a different color here. Now drag the image to the desired position. Make sure the image is not cut off from the edge here. Now add a cool animation under effects. If you want, you can add more text or other stickers to the video. Now do the whole thing with the rest of your voiceover. Now only a cool background music is missing. Go to the music section and select a free music here and drag it into the timeline. Now press export and select 1080p as well as 60 fps for the best video quality. Done. Since we have now created our video, we will now finish our thumbnail. Go to Canva and sign up for free. Now click on YouTube thumbnail. You have now the right images for a YouTube thumbnail. Now upload the images we want to use for the thumbnail. Since we will create a thumbnail similar to the channel Yellow Dude, we will now drag the images over the thumbnail. On the left the wrong and on the right the correct dips execution. Go to the element section and search for red frames. Select it one, drag it twice to the same spot. One frame on the left, the other on the right. Now we still need an X for the wrong execution and a green check mark for the correct execution. Drag both onto the timeline. At the end, drag both into the thumbnail. In the end, the thumbnail should look like this. Perfect, now download the thumbnail. But before you upload now the video to YouTube, do you remember the secret method I promised you at the beginning of the video? Channels like Yellow Dude or Captain Workout use this strategy and earn several $1000s passively every month on the site. And don't worry, you don't have to promote or sell cheap products. The strategy is simple. Go to the site Meet Glitchy. The site is free, sign up, it doesn't take long. As you can see, Meet Glitchy is a partner of the biggest and most popular companies in the world. Companies like Netflix, Prada or even YouTube promote the advertising services via Meet Glitchy. Click on an offer you like and now you can have your affiliate link created here. So when a viewer clicks on your link, you automatically earn money. The viewers only have to answer a few questions. So now upload your videos and copy the link from Meet Glitchy into your video description. Write an exciting text about the link, like this example here. Perfect! Now create an AI fitness channel step by step with free AI tools and methods that I showed you in this video. If you liked it, then leave a like on the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel here for free. All tutorials and websites are linked in the video description. By the way, if you still need help by building a complete YouTube channel from 0 to 100,000 subscribers successfully in 2026, then click here on the next video. See you there.